Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to add photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the dialer or the contact list. I will do it using the dialer, just upon the contacts. Now let's find the photo you'd like to, not the photo, the contact you'd like to customize and tap on it. Then let's pick edit. And let me quickly remove the photo so you will be able to see how it will look like. In your case, you will have this camera icon, so simply tap on it and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, or you can choose the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let me find it, tap on it, and if you're ready, just tap on this confirmation mark in the right upper corner. Here in this step we can either zoom in or out the photo, we can change the position of it, so we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on this tick icon. As you can see, we've got this photo, so confirm it again. And here we've got it applied on our contact. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.